Hello, everyone, and welcome to Math 3. As you're already well aware, this has been shaping up to be a very interesting and exciting year before we even get started. Although I don't get to see you in person, at least for the first few weeks of the school year, we will be meeting virtually every other day, excluding Wednesday. So this is a little bit different than last year. It's not going to be just a once-a-week meeting, and we are going to expect you to actually be there for those live class meetings. Now, the first week of school is going to be a little bit different, but in our week at a glance class calendar, I do have that listed, and I have the links to the Zoom classes in there, so it's easy to click on and join. I'm Mr. Hoffman. A good share of you already know who I am, but a good share of you may have never met me yet. If you've had me as a case manager or in other classes, then you already know me. I look forward to meeting those of you I don't know and seeing those of you I do know again. I will tell you more about myself as we find out more about each other on Wednesday. Excuse me, not on Wednesday, on Tuesday. To help you figure out when to attend my class virtually, I have color-coded our week at a glance calendar. So I've grayed out the days in which we don't meet together, when those are the on-demand days, when you might be able to meet with me for office hours, though. I am still around. I have included a link to this calendar in Parents Square, and of course, it will always be available in Google Classroom. Refer to this as well as the due dates in your to-do list in Google Classroom to figure out when you have things that are due. This math class is going to be a little bit different than others in that I'm going to take a bit more exploratory approach toward figuring out what our needs are as math learners in this class. We have some flexibility to work with here. That's why we're not going to be doing a lot with the textbook probably for the first month. I have kind of more activities-based, kind of social, emotional, learning type activities for us to work on for the first few weeks of school. There's no hurry, guys. We'll have plenty to do as the school year goes on. I just want to find out where our comfort zones are within this subject. How can we approach math in a way that doesn't give us anxiety? Because I know just the word math is probably intimidating for most of you now. I know it's intimidating for me, or it has been in the past. And I've had to find ways to overcome that. And I want to find ways for you to overcome that. To find the real beauty in this subject, because it is there. I won't go on any further. I just want to add, I can't wait to see everybody on Tuesday. And until then, enjoy the rest of your last weekend of freedom for the year of 2020.